Howdy everybody, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're gonna take a tour of this two bedroom at the Bowen River Oaks. This is a luxury Houston high rise and you're gonna love what this looks like inside. It's gorgeous. So I'm just showing you the hallway just real quick so you can see it, and beautiful nameplate, number plate there. And then now we're gonna go in and see what this looks like. So we're gonna do this in two parts. The first part is gonna cover the living room and the kitchen. You can see there's a mud room over here, by the way, and then just kind of an area you could have a buffet or more artwork and things like that. But we walk in and then this is what it looks like. So you do have a bath, very, very nice bath there too, by the way, and that'll be nice for guests. And then we walk in and we're gonna see just a beautiful living room and kitchen. So the living room, look at all these lights, and look at the windows. It's lovely, isn't it? So many windows, and this is floor to ceiling. So this is Houston high-rise luxury at its finest. It's light, it's bright, it's modern. It's not one of those old buildings, by the way, they've converted, but it just still feels gross, and you're seeing the ductwork, none of that stuff. No. This is the new, nice, completely from scratch building. It looks great. So very modern. There's a lot of space in here too. That's what's striking me, how much space is in here. So you can really have a nice small party here instead of feeling cramped. This is going to be great. Also, I love how they put the desk in there. That's very nice. You can be working from home and have some great views. And then let's explore the kitchen. The kitchen is beautiful. You've got a really nice island. You could easily put at least four, if not five, chairs out there and still have a room, I believe. Definitely four. This is a long island too. It's quartz, by the way. It's very, very nice. And then look at this kitchen. The kitchen's delightful. I love all the white cabinets that are here. I love the appliances, the stainless steel. I love the gas. So you're going to be cooking with gas. You need to be looking for that in a high rise. That's pretty typical in a good high rise. Not always, but very typical. There's a wine fridge. And just continued beauty in here. I love the stainless steel fridge there too with the ice maker. And then I love this. I love just a touch like this floor to ceiling window in the kitchen. What a great look and feel. There's plenty of storage here too also. So this is really, really pretty. Hey, this is part one of the walkthrough. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down the hallway and we're gonna see one of the bedrooms, if not two, in part two. So let's go see that now. Before we do though, tell me what you think about this beautiful two bedroom. My number is below. I want to get your comments. I want to get your feedback. Tell me what you think about it. Send me a text. And by the way, the text just goes to me. It doesn't go to a software machine, anything like that. It just goes to me and to my cell phone. But let me know, just introduce yourself, say hi. I'm looking for a place in Houston. I like your two bedroom that I'm seeing here, and I'd like to just chat with you about it. I can't wait to get that text and hear from you, because we're gonna have fun on our conversation, and I'm gonna make things really easy and fun for you in your search. Okay, let's go check out the bedrooms that's over here. We'll start at the next video right now.